Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really well. It's the time of the month again for me to talk about my monthly favourites. I have loved quite a few things this month, quite a lot of lifestyle stuff. Also, at the end of the monthly favourites videos, update you on how Project 10 Pan is going. So I'll talk about Project 10 Pan at the end. So without further ado, let's get into it. My first favourite is a makeup favourite, and it is a proper oldie. This is the Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel or Bronze Universelle. This I've had for many years. It's probably completely gone off, but I've just rediscovered it recently because it's one of the products that will be next up on my Project 10 Pan because it is running so low. So I've been using it anyway to give myself a little bit of a head start. This is the perfect bronzer for that like gorgeous, dewy, natural glow. It's definitely not a universal shade. It's quite a light colour. If you've got skin basically any darker than mine, you can't wear it. I really hope that they extend the shade range on this because I absolutely love the formulation. You get loads of products, so even though it seems like quite an expensive product, you get 30 grams in here and you don't need a lot. It goes a long way and it's just gorgeous. So this will be up next on my Project 10 Pan list. So you'll see this in another upcoming favourites video very, very soon. But for now, it is just a favourite. Another makeup favourite is a blush. This is the Melt Cosmetics blush in the shade Bawdy. And have a look at that. Feast your eyes on the shade of that. It's like a proper hot pink, like cool toned bright pink, and it's absolutely amazing. I quite like to layer this with other blushes, so I'll do like a softer pink and then I'll just put this right on the like top of my cheekbone or right on the apple of my cheek, and I just think it's amazing. It's such a gorgeous color, so pigmented, and it lasts on your skin for a really long time as well, which is great. You don't want to put on a blush and then for it to disappear, because your blush is just as much a part of your look as anything else. Especially recently, like blush is massively back, which I love. So yeah, this is a really nice like Kylie Jenner blush, you know, her like pop of pink on the cheek. Yes. I have got some body makeup to talk about, and I'm just going to apologise for jumping the gun on this one. I got sent loads of Scott Barnes beauty. You will have seen it in my last weekly vlog. No, the weekly vlog before last. A couple of weeks ago, I got sent loads of Scott Barnes makeup, and I was going out salsa dancing that night, and I was like, I've got to try this. This is the Scott Barnes Body Bling Platinum Moisturizing Shimmering Body Lotion. I just had to put this all over my body just to try it out. This is what he like famously uses on J-Lo, so I was like, well, if it's good enough for J-Lo, right? I'm wearing it right now. And look at this, look at that glow. It gives your body so much dimension. You look so dewy because obviously I love a highlighted cheek. You want your body to kind of level up with your cheeks, obviously. Like you wouldn't have a really glowy face and then a really dull body. Or at least you don't want that. This is really nice. It feels really, really thin, really light. It doesn't feel sticky, and it's pretty good at not transferring. It just feels like a moisturizer. And I just buff it on with a foundation brush because I hate getting it all over my hands. Even though I wash my hands straight afterwards, I just don't like it. And I'll link it down below. I'll link all of the products I'm talking about down below, but I love this stuff. I've got a skincare product and a hair product. So let's go in with the skincare. This is the Ren Ever Calm Global Protection Day Cream. This stuff is so lovely, and I had never really dabbled that much in Ren, but yesterday, for me, it was yesterday, I went to a Ren event. I went for breakfast with them, and they did a massive talk about how they're trying to become more sustainable and how they want to be 100% waste-free by 2021, which is obviously an incredible pledge. They gave me a really generous goodie bag to try some products, and actually I had been sent this prior to the event, which is why I was so excited to go to the event, because I tested this out, fell in love with it, and then I got invited to this event and I was like, I really want to learn more about this brand and I really want to try more of their products. I love this because it claims to be like a glowy moisturizer, but for me, it almost feels like a mattifying moisturizer. My skin feels super duper hydrated, super soft, like really, really lovely and plump, but it doesn't make me go really oily throughout the day. It kind of balances and controls my skin. And sometimes I do find that at the end of the day, I'm oily, even though I've got dry skin. Like, I think I'm kind of dehydrated and then I start to overcompensate. So I find this really moisturizing, but also balancing. It's for sensitive skin, so it just feels like a very stripped back, very basic, very simple moisturizer that really just does the job. I love that it's got a pump. They are trying to make this a recyclable pump. I really like how it smells, but the pump makes it really fast rather than like using a tub, getting it out, which can also be a bit unhygienic. I actually tried all of the products that they gave me this morning, and there were a couple which I'm really, really excited about. I'm sorry if you can hear my earrings. I thought I'd dress up for you today and I'm kind of already regretting it. You may be seeing them coming up as well. I've got a hair favorite. This is the Lee Stafford Keep It Clean with Pink Clay Dry Shampoo. It's vegan friendly and cruelty free. This is such a good dry shampoo. Yes, it leaves a white cast. Yes, it feels quite heavy, but in a really like heavy duty way. This is my other favorite dry shampoo. This is the IGK Direct Flight Multitasking Dry Shampoo. I really love this, but it is for like second day hair. Like, oh, you're a little bit, let me just dry you out a little bit. This will not sort me out after day 2, maybe 3. This leaves my hair lasting 5 to 6 days. And I'm really cutting back on how much I wash my hair. And this is really, really, really good. Just controlling the oil. It also, I find, helps hold a curl. My hair drops styles very quickly. Like, I'll do my hair and I know that the next day I'll wake up and it will not be like that. Whereas with this, it's almost like it's got some sort of hold in it. So the next day I brush my hair, it looks kind of like just a slightly looser version of the style I'd done the day before, which I really like. So yeah, I absolutely love this dry shampoo. On to some fashion favorites. Those are my beauty favorites of the month. My first fashion favorite has to be this. This skirt got so much attention on my Instagram. I wore this to the salsa night the other night, and it's incredible. Really short. I wore booty shorts underneath it because, yeah, you could fully see my pants if I didn't. It's this really cute, like, studded tasseled skirt, and I like it because it's really heavy, so it doesn't like float up. It's just if you bend over, you can see your pants. Whereas if you're dancing, it stays like weighted, which is great. It's super flattering. It's great to dance in. It makes you look so much better at dancing than you actually are. Got loads of compliments on it. Really high-waisted. Just really, really gorgeous. And it is actually part of a co-ord. I also have the matching top. But for the event, I thought it was a bit much to wear both. But I'm excited to wear them together and just to go all in, like, tasseled, dancing queen, princess, amazingness. And I wore it with like my kind of cowboy boots, which gave it a bit of a Western style, which I also really like. Really not that expensive. It was from ASOS. It's linked down below. I think this will be no secret to you guys. My other favorite fashion item of the month has to be my red bodysuit. I've talked about this in so many videos. Imagine it with this look. Come on. So sexy, makes your boobs look amazing. Flattering as hell because it's got this lovely boning which really cinches your waist in. Really comfortable as well. Makes me feel like $1 million. And it's a lovely red velvet, like a cupcake. Talked about that and styled that in so many ways on my channel already, so I'll link down below where you can pick it up. We've got a tech favorite today. One of my absolute favorites of this month has to be my AirPods, which is such a wanky thing to say. Going from having rubbish headphones or earphones to having really good noise cancelling wireless headphones earphones. I hate the word earphones, that just sounds weird to me, headphones. It just makes such a difference, especially when you're editing or on a train. These are the noise cancelling ones. So they're the newest ones. I got myself and Tim a pair for our anniversary. Little matching ones because I got them engraved with our names. They're so good. Like, I will never look back after buying these. Yes, they're expensive, but they are totally worth it, especially for what I do. He can be watching his tutorials and stuff. I can be editing my tutorials next to each other. Can't hear each other. Can't distract or annoy each other. It's amazing. That is a tech favorite. A huge favorite this month is a YouTuber. named Bailey Serian. I love Bailey. I have spoken about her already in a video, so I won't talk about her too much. But Bailey is a makeup artist on YouTube, but she also makes true crime videos. Every Monday, she does Murder Mystery Makeup Mondays, where she does her makeup, like a get ready with me, without talking about the products, which I like, and telling a true crime story. For me, it's like the benefits of listening to a true crime documentary and also the benefits of watching a makeup tutorial, which I watch them as a really relaxing thing rather than like learning now. So I just watch makeup tutorials to chill me out. So it's the relaxation of watching, it's almost like makeup ASMR for me, and then like the fascination of the true crime combined. And Bailey is so cute. She's really funny, she's absolutely gorgeous, and her makeup is always amazing, and she does really fun looks. So yeah, I just love her channel, and I really just think we should be best friends. Yeah, I'll link Bailey down below if you are not yet subscribed. She definitely doesn't need little old me giving her a shout out, but this is for you. You need to know about her. Oh, also I got my nails done today, and I wanted them to be inspired by the weather because it's so gross outside. Another favorite for this month has been pretty vague, but it's been cooking and meal prepping and baking and just making food and talking to you guys about it specifically. You guys really love my what I eat in a day video, and Tim and I have got into a really nice habit of kind of cooking like one meal, usually an Asian cuisine, a week, because I have a recipe book called Lemongrass and Ginger, and obviously Tim and I, we went traveling in Southeast Asia and we just missed the food. So every week we've kind of been making one of the recipes, and it's been really fun. So I've been cooking way more and I've been really enjoying it, so that's definitely a favorite. And also our friends have been cooking more. We've been doing like a Saturday night dinner party, like come dine with me type situation at our friends' houses. We've been going to a different friend's house like every Saturday night, and we all take turns to cook, and it's been so fun. So food has been a huge favorite for me this month. I've just been really enjoying cooking it, eating it, and just bringing people together with it. And my final favorite is a little bit gushy, so I'll make it quick. But my final favorite for the past 2 months has been YouTube, 100%. I have really felt like I've got back in my stride with YouTube in the past couple of months, especially since posting my weight loss journey video. I feel like we've kind of got this community back that I definitely thought that I'd lost. Regrouping, and I've found the kind of videos that I really love filming and I really enjoy, and I'm actually enjoying making videos again, which I know is probably gonna break your heart when I say that I stopped loving it for a while there, but I don't think that's a secret. I think just YouTube and you guys and just my job basically has been a favorite this month. So that's all I'm gonna say about that. I just wanna say thanks. I hope it can be my favorite every month. On to Project 10 Pan. So Project 10 Pan this month has been fine, obviously. I've been using the products, but I don't have any empties to show you yet. I don't. But you did ask me last month, could I talk about a couple of like the updates, like give you updates as to how I'm doing with it. So I'll give you a few I'm nearly there's, okay? Let me, the NARS pressed powder, we're so close. I'm thinking maybe next month will be the month that this is gone. I'm hoping so. I mean, I'm not hoping so because I love this powder and I don't want it to run out, because once it's run out, I need to not buy a new one like until I finish the other products, but also I want to finish all the products, but it's bittersweet finishing this one off. I think next month might be the month. I also think that the NARS Super Radiant Booster will also be next month. I think this is so close and I thought I might be able to get through it, but no. I think I've probably got like a week of use left out of this one. Hopefully next month you'll see that too. The Hoola is still going strong, but guys, this is gonna take me so long. This is going to be a really long challenge. Also hoping that the Charlotte Tilbury retoucher might be in next month's, which if I could get 3 done by next month, that would be great. But also I'm not getting any done this month, so it would be only like 1 or 2 next month, you know? Fingers crossed this bad boy runs out soon. It's not my favorite product. I do have to use it every single day, and I'm kind of excited to not have to use it every single day. As for the palette, we've got some nice big dents. We'll be hitting pan on these pretty soon because I literally have been using them on my eyes every single day. Hopefully this one will also, I think these 3 are going to be the ones that go. What did I say? Do I have to finish up 3 shades and then hit pan on 2? So I think these 3 I'll be able to finish up pretty easily, and then I'll hit pan on these 2 probably. We'll see. I'm still really enjoying it. Haven't caved. I haven't bought any makeup. I haven't bought brushes. I haven't bought fake lashes. I'm not gonna lie, it has been a bit of a struggle. I'm really using these fake lashes up. I don't want to buy lashes until I absolutely have to. So far I'm doing really well with it, so I'm happy. That is the end of this month's favorites and Project 10 Pan update. As always, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I've linked all of the products down below if you would like to check them out and try them for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being so lovely to me this month. It does not go unnoticed. If you haven't entered my giveaway in my jewelry haul video, that ends on Thursday. So make sure to get in there quick if you would like to win a gift voucher for Regal Rose, my favorite jewelry brand. So yeah, I will link that video down below as well if you'd like to enter that. Make sure you subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. Follow my Instagram, it is linked down below. And I will see you guys in my next video on Thursday. Bye!